Holy basil, also known as tulsi, the elixir of life or OPTIMUM tenuflorum, has been used in Ayurveda for thousands of years for its medicinal properties. According to Vedic culture, it is considered to be one of the holiest plants, hence the name holy basil. With the model of sustainability, Holixer, the clinically tested extract from OPTIMUM tenuflorum, or the holy basil, commences its journey from the productive and vibrant lands of southern India.
ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು ಬಸವರಾಜು ಅಂತ. ನಾವು 10 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ತುಳಸಿ ಬೆಳೀತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಆದರೆ ಮನುಕುಲಕ್ಕೂ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಾಗಿದೆ ಮತ್ತು ನಮಗೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಹಾಯ ಆಗಿದೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನ ಉಪಯೋಗ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ.
Holixer is brought to you as a part of our Herb Secure program, where we insist on good quality practices, good agricultural practices, good manufacturing practices, and good laboratory practices. In our effort towards good quality practices, Natural Remedies has endeavored meticulously and found the right kind of soil, weather, and other optimum conditions to grow the holy basil in this part of southern India. We train our farmers to adopt good agricultural practices and new technologies with least machine intervention. This helps in reducing carbon footprint and building a healthy ecosystem. A natural fertilizer rich in nitrogen, potassium, phosphorus, and soil micronutrients that protects the earth and ecology from the hazardous effects of chemical fertilizers are used. Chemical pesticides are substituted with natural pest repellent neem oil, which is safe for the environment. We also encourage regenerative agricultural practices through crop rotation. Our experts periodically monitor the herb quality throughout the crop's life cycle. Good agricultural practices are maintained as we harvest the aerial parts of the plant after 45 days, when the bioactive yield is at its optimum level. The harvested holy basil is sun-dried till the moisture content stays below 10%. It is then manually cleaned, stored in a place near the field, and transported safely to the ISO 14001 certified manufacturing facility of Natural Remedies. We ensure fair compensation to our farmer partners by purchasing the herbs. After arriving at the manufacturing facility, the herb undergoes stringent evaluation using good laboratory practices. After ensuring the purity, quality, and potency through random sample testing, the material is sent for cleaning, sorting, and then coarse grinding as pre-production process. The raw material is then extracted through bot technology to manufacture Holixer. From its journey of commencement to customer, Holixer is true to our mission of winning together. Partner with Holixer in journey of supporting your customers with a sustainably sourced and clinically tested low-dose solution for stress and sleep quality.